Hey beautifuls, so thank you so much for coming back to my channel. This is going to be another episode of my entrepreneur life, which is going to be episode 2, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a tour on my small business home office, and you guys just going to see how I have everything set up and just a few things that I use in my business room for my business supplies and everything like that. So you might hear me kind of talking kind of low a little bit, only because my baby is sleeping. But when you have kids and you're an entrepreneur, you kind of know how that goes. So we're making this work, okay, you guys? So come on, let's go give you a tour. Alright, so first off, I have this gate here because my baby loves to go inside my office and grab things, move things, and this is the only way I can get him to stay out. So I'm gonna have to step over this, but here we are. And I'm sorry if the lighting may go in and out. I'm still working on getting some lights for when I'm recording, but this is my desk. Pink and gold is my thing. And these are some of the evening wear that I sell. It's a 2-piece and they're silk. They come in different colors, and these are the robes that I sell. These come in different colors. They're super comfortable and soft. So this is my printer that I use in my business. This folder is so cute. I actually bought it from a yard sale, and I haven't figured out what I'm going to be using it for yet, but I think this is like super nice. I've never found this in a store, but I got it from a yard sale for like 25 cents. So I can use that to like organize something. This is my laminator, my diffuser, plant, and I love this cart, and I got it from Hobby Lobby, and I pack like some of my business cards up top here, and I have my scale. So this is important to have when you have a business. They have all kinds of different scales, but I got this scale from Amazon, and this is what I use to weigh my packages that I'm going to be mailing out. And I have this container that I have when I have to deliver just, you know, a few packages to the post office, and I put them in here so I can carry everything. And these containers right here I actually got from Dollar Tree, and I love them because if I have several orders at one time, I can like literally organize the orders. And I had put my sticker with my logo on it to just make it look cute. So I have several of these, so I'll just have them kind of like, when I have the orders in, I'll just kind of like put them out kind of like this. So let's just say I have 4 different orders or something, and I could just like put whatever products, let's just pretend that's products, but I could just like put them in there, and I know which ones are going in, you know, what packages. So this is like order 1, and then I package this up, and then when I'm done with that, then order 2, package this up. So this is a cool way to kind of like organize your orders when you have several orders at one time. And yep, I got this from Dollar Tree. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree, y'all, even though it's not $1 anymore. It's $1.25. I'll tell you, my heart broke more about Dollar Tree going up to $1.25 than gas prices. So yes, so that is what I use these for. And I love this. I love this idea. It helps me to be more organized when I'm doing orders at once and not everything being all over the place. And this desk, I actually revamped it. It used to be like a really, really dark brown to where it kind of looked black, but I painted it, and then I changed the knobs to put like like a gold knob on it, so I can match everything in my business room. And I took the top part off because what used to be on top was a changing table. So this is actually a baby changing table with drawers, but I took the top part off and I just kind of made it like a desk to put stuff on. And in here I have like my printer paper, my laminating paper stuff, and in here I have like boxes. I have my business pens that I give out to customers, people who place orders. And these are some shipping boxes, my other shipping boxes, and some tissue paper, crinkly little papers. And then I have these where it helps to seal the products so they won't leak. And this is my credit card machine when I'm doing in-person events. And I have some pink peanuts and some padded envelopes. And then for people who order locally, these are the cute bags that I use. And then in here, I got this from Five and Below. I love it. It's basically a cube with a top, and you can like put stuff in it. So I have stuff that is organized in here in these binders. And these are just stuff on the floor that I need to fix up. This is my chair, my pillow, and this is my desk. So in here, it's kind of a little messy, but I got these little organizers, and they're light pink from Dollar Tree. I've been looking for some more, but Dollar Tree is kind of a hit or miss. And over here, I need to kind of fix it up. But this is my computer, and I just got this in the mail. It's basically one of those things where you can hook your phone up to, and the bottom part can like turn into like a stand. Let's see if I can kind of show you. So I just took it out of the box today after ordering it, and you can hook your phone up to it. It comes with a stand, and it also has this light on it right here to help with lighting. So when I'm using my phone to record stuff, and I could also use it to like when I'm taking pictures of something, I can hold it out. So this is pretty cute. Just got it today, so I gotta figure out how to use it. And then this book right here is just my monthly calendar. And if you know me, I am obsessed with Princess Jasmine. Yes, I love her. And over here, I have some products that I have in stock right now. So I gotta organize a little bit more. And this is the Romance Body Butter Souffle, which is amazing. It's definitely not a disappointment. And I have body scrubs, the Golden Glow body scrub. This body scrub, I'm telling you, y'all will fall in love. I have the Pretty Petal body scrub. I have Pretty Rich body polish. These will have your skin feeling like the best stuff on earth. And I also have a Pastry body scrub, and I call it the Pastry body scrub because like the way it looks and the way it feels, it looks like pastry, I guess, like a dessert, but it feels so good, and it's made with herbs. You can see, I'm sorry y'all, okay, there we go. So I have the Good Evening Oil Cleanser, which is amazing to use before you use your actual cleaner. It helps to kind of loosen everything up on your face, and it makes your cleanser actually clean better. My Acne Facial Serum, my Anti-Aging Daytime Facial Serum, and my Anti-Aging Nighttime Serum. And if you can see, these bottles are different from the bottles that the newer bottles that I showed you that came in my last inventory order in the first episode when I showed you the rose gold bottles that were rose gold here, and the top right here is rose gold as well. So these are like the older bottles. So soon, once I sell out of these, I will be switching over to the rose gold bottle. And these are like my lip conditioners. And this is the Petal and Pearls lip softener. And this is just so beautiful. I mean, wouldn't you feel just like absolutely gorgeous just rubbing these on this lip just because of the way it looks? But it makes your lips feel super soft all day long. Like my stuff works like on the first application. And I have these. So this, I'm sorry you guys, I'm still learning to use my camera. But this is the Herbal Healing Body Oil, and it is infused with so many wonderful herbs. And what's inside here right now is calendula. So even though the infusing process has been done, I've added calendula in there just to, make it infuse even more with at least one of the herbs that I've used. And this stuff is amazing for problematic skin issues. This is not a disappointment. It is really good. And in this bottle, this is another bottle that I'm going to be switching over to rose gold as well. Forgive me, y'all. New at this camera stuff. But this is my feminine sacred oil, which is also infused and made out of herbs. And inside there is some hibiscus herbs that I decided to add in there to continue some more infusion process. And this is really good to help maintain the health of the vaginal area. But yes, and this right here, oh, I love this thing. This is what I use to print out my packaging labels. And this is a 4x6 stickers, papers, and it prints through here. And this is what I use to print out my package labels. And I can leave the link in the description box, but I got that from Amazon. And I love my hot chocolate in the mornings. So when I come in here early in the morning to start doing some business work, I love to have my cup of hot chocolate. And this is my coffee machine, my business room coffee machine. And of course, I have a mug with my logo on it, Biblically Beautiful Skin. And the other side, I actually have my ministries logo. Sorry, y'all. There we go. Biblically Beautiful Ministries. So I decided to show you guys because I made this the other day, and it's my sales map, and I just kind of like print it out on the computer. The United States of America, that was blank, where I can color it in, and I colored around it, and I decorated with some stickers, and I put my little scriptures on there. I put my logo sticker on there. And what I did was, for every state that I was able to get orders in and mailed orders out to, I just colored the states in. So my goal is definitely to fill this entire map up with states that I've sent orders to. And soon I'm going to be printing out another map with, other countries that I'll be coloring in. But for right now, this is where I'm starting. So, yep, this is my sales map. So I am praying that my products would be in every single state. I call this my prayer wall, and this is where I come down on my knees for the Lord to pray over my business, pray over my products, pray over my life, pray over my family, my husband, my children, everything. This is just my altar right here, where I can come and just spend time with God. Over there is my vision board for my business. I love doing vision boards every year. It just helps me to continue that visualization that I truly feel that God has put into my heart. But yeah, so that is it, you guys. So that is it for my room tour. I hope you guys liked this episode, and if you have any other ideas of anything you want me to talk about in my entrepreneur life, or just anything, just leave it in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Ask me any questions, and let me know what else you would want to see from me. So, but yeah, until next time, God bless, and you guys take care. Love you. Mwah.